Alright, it is Wednesday morning, March 6th. It's this guy's birthday today. He's 21 years old. We're going to run 9320 down. We're moving that out of the field now. We're going to get it closer to a trailer and take the tire chains off of it and the tire chains off of the 8320. And we're going to move this stuff towards home. So the 9320 needs an oil change, and it's starting to snow a little bit, and I don't know if we're going to be able to safely get this stuff home or not. Alright, we're going to take these chains off. We're going to take them off right here. That's kind of what we're dealing with here is mud clumps on the chains, and they're coming undone hard. Hey, you just got to pound that. Here, hold this. You just got to pound that. There's that side. Pull ahead a little bit. Gotta get this one moved forward a little bit so we can whack that hook, and then that'll be all 4 sets. Alright, he's gonna pull forward, drop these chains. Me and Kerr are gonna load them on the trailer, and he's gonna head for home before the roads get any worse than they are. Snow is starting to come down here at a pretty good clip now. They've got a turbo to put on truck 15 yet. I don't know if I'll get to that today or not. That came in here last night. Yeah, well, let's get the gate open for him. Well, we're in the field where the 8320 is, and we went and tried to start that. Parked a ways away from the road so it could drain last night. And that, of course, won't start, so we've got a battery charger with us. We're going to pull up alongside of it. And hook the battery charger up to it. Got a good enough connection. You can go right to that bolt right there on the oil cooler. Enough cord. Alright, so we're back inside here now. Got the oil drained out of it. And we're going to run back here to the front of the tanker. And we're going to put a new fan on it. We've got, this one is wore out. As you can see from this side here, this fan is just about shot. So I'm going to unbolt this quick and get a new one on there, new door and everything, and then we can get this one apart and put a new fan blade and bearings and all that crap in there. So I got to take these two 5/8 bolts out here. Actually, they're not 5/8, they're 3/4. I thought they were 5/8. Get them 3/4 bolts out. Just take that off in there and set the new one on. Alright, that's out there. Lift this out. This. There. We've got the new housing set door here. We're just going to set it up into place. Ready? Grab on the next side. Sit it up vertically. We got a pry bar. Grab us a pry bar and get it over here, will ya? No, never mind, we got it. The top one go. Get in. Yeah, there we go. Got too long of a bowl. Let's put the short ones in there. So these are the ones that I was given. Alright, wiggle that a little bit. Got to pick up on that end. There it goes. Down a little, up a little. Are you ready? Alright, there's that. Now, I'll tighten this up. We got to get the door the little gate off in that other one. And then we'll have to get the power shaft on this, and we'll have to grease that power shaft. And then we're going to need to take all these hoops off. What would it be better if you had nuts on them?
Yeah.
And then just put an impact on them or a breaker bar or something, so you're not trying to do dumb, you know what I mean? Yeah, the bar is this way, and then our washing shop.
And then the flat comes up the bottom.
So why don't we get 5/8 nuts and brand new washers for here?
Would it be concave or?
No. I don't know if they're 5/8 or 3/4.
I think they're 3/4.
Alright, we've got this all on there. Jared's got to get the little trap door and get it bolted on to here. It looks like we're going to have to tap them threads out there. And Kerr's going to take all these eyes off and put actual nuts on there. Run this on and off with an impact rather than sticking a bar through these every day to open them up. So that's going to improve that a little bit. So, yeah, get a washer on there.
Yeah, I just don't know.
Well, that's it. That's all for this video, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next one.